Oh, yes, it. Yes, my too serious. Good morning, Michacha Bibia. My mama, Merry Christmas in advance. I feel the I tough for being him. I feel I tough, but Yamiadum, didn't see the end of the year. Yamiadum na. Odi bedru he your bompa is happy new year and your new bia beka no bia so beka bia chiro bia. And I'm say me reply message via last week na trended. I found Minua Kelvin Taylor the video bio and I think that he was not happy because Mr. T said I was say how do you call it I was say His Excellency John Mahama conceded now you movie on now on share if he's going to come back in 2024 the best thing for him would be for him to concede and it's fine. As for me adia emede will be as a pan say my bibina ubia kasa about TPP. I love it. Minisika idea radio and TV interviews. And I catch them from day one. Me study TPP that the people will sell it for us. And so it's a trick. That's the idea. Me person me bibi apart from say you be royal. Me person me bibi now every day everybody is talking about TPP. Me nyanka one day me dem nyan the whole Facebook ubia a live video and it's about TPP. What you say? However, me I might not be an expert in anything, but I am an expert in ignoring people. Me one more bra will come as my main source. Who hear me will come as my main source. Enti and say Sunday na nopa and I mean you if you as nigga friend, your friend will say, "Hey, Kwame, girl, you why and then the debut do attempt say girl ben. I feel no be church girl be them say if ya. Obi a wo body dey just watch na say. Ono dok odi matama na makoso so that be me yes sir. Just a wo bobra. Enti unhu se meni obi tse honorable Oslewusu kontoka wa bobra mi bu no me like what I say achievement ni papa ne anu omku no obi a wetini ese akwe ya friend that funk you so that the Fred will say why or Facebook or say sanka mag medini age no na meti America na medwetwi nkuku mu a what I say it's how me could do that the funk said that the Fred said that the BB omuboni ni BB papa pe ni bi nanim dori what I say because me like my court such as when I was that be your mobra what I say we tia no me bua o me ka sama me ka na nado danko akufu ado ase ono na abobra what I say me ka sama me ka John Mahama me ka say what say obi the plus kokko hwan yes asabi now the A plus or court or the whole Ghana police then the court. San. It's in Nomina and open me show when you yam video ya me abobra. Into na make come asem. What I say, branca make. It's a no yam shake as pa na media mono. Now as some say say na who a problem with they say former president on conceding. There is nothing wrong with disagreeing with each other. A juma na ye no akwai se nyamesom obi de befa Islam no obi de afa Christianity obi kura de fa traditional religion me na kwa kuduku no ebosomfo na onsom bronsam osom nyankopon titi kredian po nyankopon true ne bosom no enti no obehu ne na bosom dan no ba ko no atro do na no nyame tumi so because osom nyame true ne bosom no Yesu na onjin no so ne de no yenso yen ye di Yesu di ye de no obi so ji Muhammad prophet Muhammad edi ono so ne de no saa ne ye no obi disagree with MPP mean so person Ghana konkan obi disagree with NDC mean say Ghana konkan intermediate ade na won base count na prempe ye no kra no metan o se mujai ye nyina person Ghana konanim enti e wo se yen ye baako Manase Azuri hwanhwan Anas Vim Lady Kwame Fifa Mensa Kelvin Taylor base count ye nyina no Achi Palago obi e ka asem e be boa Ghana se ne be ya Ghana be konanim ye ti we Ghana ye se Singapore Anase UAE a se ke ye nyina be ye de And the no, I will see a boom. And what can some me know I don't agree with you. The issue is that Kevin, I have met so many NDC form penny for on my catcher me say they don't like how you communicate. And you know, uno mudilia also here. And I Kevin no send no a pamon for free party, so many of them. And I'm telling you this. Yeah, come for wachacha, and will be a front near come for wachacha. A be. Penny for say, yeah, come for near front near come for wachacha. So, Beha, anytime bia Mike Tyson or boom growth, there you have one back over top from no, now you'll be there at least ya book a killer. There you better Barcelona no, a young for there. Barcelona, opening bobo, by your shop as I won't say for the winning. We are say, wo yan, na feel you, who ye. Enti nkrofo na wadwen o se wo ya mom no kra no omo kotem tokro mu a no makoka se o na Kevin no se ne oye no bebre o maka chen bebre enti woni omo di nkomo a ka kire omo se se sa na mote e. Apart from that no ye bo tuo wo Techiman South no yambo Mahama batuo yambo Akufo Addo batuo, and I will always say it. 2008 ye to aba His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo 2 years. For free net them voice go see from me no share more steps na no. Ohun be pe na se Kwame anye yi o na me se Nana ye be ko biem. 2012 Satam na me ne Nana voice go na me se ye be ko biem no na ko ye opon kromo ni ho. 2012 ye to aba Nana say yisi nya abotre ma yisi mbo aba no ma say no mo te Joy FM omo no mo fra aba no ma Mahama 2012 omo no call election na ma Mahama enne ye to aba wi 2016 omo a no mo abotai na no mo omo ne di post no ma on enti menua me nka say bia ope post but even enipa na wadwen say wo ya ade amom no omutiri mu no omo afa wo ho plan omo categorize nipa no we no me omo di atam no we no me omo e be small we no me omo e de omo be demonstration and we no omo e be mo contract no and we no omo e be mo post no ya categorize nipa no enti be bia wo pe no ho na wo de wo ho be hye wo ton se na wo be ton ho no saa na ye be to me politicians we a mistake, they will use you and they will dump you. And I've experienced it before. Me 2016 ye to aba wie ye pa me first ntokwa me ku okruma me ne honorable Brian Champon e ba ne sen na me ne Brian Eko. Me question ye very simple. Hey, ye di Nana Addo echi for 10 years. Believe in Ghana concert musicians yin nyina di echire. Ya boa campaign na ama Nana Addo aba power. Nana Addo ba power na mo koye jams wo kwawu a. After the when a new set of musicians, enti man kasa omo fa me nko bi o. Me say na musicians na omo di MPP echi no, eye den ti na mo koye jams a, mo akati om nyina out. Mo win election ya mo nya na foforo. Enti me kan sa pe, me ankasa ko mo frem say, "Oh, Kwame, wo bra be kan ho bi. Anya hwe, ye be ma osika, ye betua wo ka bra." Na me say me call ande no. Me mba be dia. Ade ma ye na me yapa, ye me time. Say nkofo di mochia afre de do say aben no moko e jams dia mako frefre nkofo fofora no mo kro mo support na Nana Addo enu ani I was fighting for the people. Sound to kwan start ye pe ena maami efu akoto maami efi akoto Maslock deputy CEO maami efi akoto ofre me MPP communication. Obi anko bisa me zameboa. Me kan sama me kan. Na asem me kan bia so no. Me yo se Nana Hesi Ojiri. Me nya kan wo mistake me go tape na chero. Me mean I am the only person who can die with your secret. Me ntia me na so. Me de bewu. But what try say wo beye me mouse a chance no. Enti no. Mami afia koto na frame say MPP communication team akọ meeting. No mo ko meeting no. Na ya na jobe almost friend me be say 7:38 call meeting no communication team no essay Brian Champon na so ye den na Brian Champon ye say no enti no me attack no ata na ye jimi o ene ye nyi o be jimi bre na kamu time na politicians using and using and ya green na hono. Nipa, everybody has gone through a phase. That time no me pa. Tenase. Me say san komo no pa na me increase ya no. Taki Brian left, right, center. And check Satan Akufo do yi positions no. Ayi me na Kelvin. Tie ne ye. Ombe pian. Me kyerɛw. And check and Akufo bi so no mo pe minister, omo pe ministry bi. Bo mo nim say Brian bit me nya sa ministry no. Nti omo pe so ye say Brian. Omo so be ka kyerɛ me say Charlie, winning party for ni nyina meeting. Omo say go and attack Brian. Ewurade Yesu, me was support from top. And then me Brian. Na attacking is one of the command lawyers. And check and Gabi or sending me a screenshot of Asama Brandy Champon a posting on Facebook. It will put or sending a screenshot, you know, Asama Kaka when they say, oh, look at what your guy has posted, but ignore. In politics, a trick. Suddenly a trick. If you want me to ignore, you will just pick a phone and call me and say, Kwame, on the Brian Econofa, so be in this castle. Men. But who person me who are there no migra. And some of the catcher say ignore a trick. Satan me and him. What I send what you know, but don't mind him. It is just simple trying to tell you that. And like why are you sending me the evidence? So then I have to increase the fire. In politics, people have their own interest in everything, and so they will push you to attack people, to insult people, to do whatever. At the end of the day, they benefit. You don't. And I have learned the hard way. So I had to wake up one day, go to Brandy Champon, and go and apologize to that. Bro, you know what? This is what has happened. You don't forget TBBR. What I say? And you know, Kevin, NDC phone, baby, they say they don't like how you communicate. I'm telling you, they will use you, you will do all the dirty work, and by the time they will come to power, they will not remember that Kevin Taylor was the one who was attacking this person, and you will turn around and you see that you have made so many enemies. If you don't have the courage to go and apologize to people, you'll be left, you become an island. No one will see you because you have attacked too many people. Me when I attack you, that's all you're bouncing. If I think that I did something wrong, I'll come and apologize. Now, Asama Amakachira, his former president, John Mahama, they said, concede. And I want to tell John Mahama today, I want to tell John Mahama today that anybody who can wake up and go to electoral commission to go and demonstrate, anybody who can wake up and go on the street to demonstrate is a die-hard NDC person. Sanipan we ndon beto abama. Sanipan we ndon beto abama. And sanipan assembly obaka kire ni bia obetie because when are your leader. Whatever you tell that person, they will listen because you are their leader. The people that you cannot talk to are the floating voters who add that margin that makes you president. And those are the people omumpe basabasa, omumpe demonstration the traffic back room, omumpe ehu say hey intoko ebesi, sankofo omumpe saade no. When Nanado was the guy, the best man for Ghana, I am say, I am that, I am this. Atamils was doing minianum, and he was shaking people's hands. And Nanado needs to say no, Atamils winning election. No. So Nanado had to leave all the giddy behind and start the battle is the Lord's. Asem Papa Mati, oye. John Mahama, you don't need to learn to be like that. And Kevin Taylor, you don't need to push John Mahama to do that. All of you who are Munamuye blogger, Munamuye say, and this is phone penny-phone, Muamu pushing now, Muamu piano, Wenko say, and a Nipanko say, and this is phone penny-phone, they have categorized you in the list of people now. They will never categorize you amongst the group of people who deserve to do a Japan deal. Yeah, MPP, a rally, a Nanado, who wants for Baho. Yeah, Japan no CEOs or no decline. Yes, you may in Ghana, the whole Ghana, you may know. So you creative position or something for Nemba. And the politicians, they put you in categories. How you sell yourself is how they will buy you. It's already can't put you in that category of when they do radio. So they have not put you in the list of winning election. I'll see a Kelvin Banobeya communication deputy minister for them. They have not put you in that list. They have a certain value that they have placed on you, and so it is very, very important. Apart from that, the ordinary people, the NDC people who come on your page to watch 15,000 people watch. NDC4. You need the support of the independent floating voters. You need their support. And those people, they are the ones, they are the kingmakers. And those people, they don't like gidi. And then, you see, Kaneshi market, ashe. And away market, ashe. You see, a coachy or 2-corner driver. And I have a job to her. If John Mahama does not concede defeat and agree that the election was stolen, but Ghana unkonenim, John Mahama, all he needs is a small margin. And anybody who loves this man, anybody who wants this man to come back again, anybody who thinks that John Mahama has a future in politics, will be the first person to call John Mahama and say, John, let us demonstrate against let's call for electoral reforms in Ghana. Obianko Street, what are we calling for? It is not either say election engine farmer John Mahama now say what is the call? I want to join. Why should people go out and demo? For what? Do we want electronic vote? What do we want? Why we should just go and do what? And block traffic so that what? Emma John Mahama who he John Mahama knew he say you bear 300,000-400,000 votes per, and he can deliver one speech that makes him president. It depends on how he conducts himself. But Miriam, you do not have to allow people to use you. You do not have to allow people to push you. Ben me bua chira mpeni say ye kanfo wunu afro ne ye kanfo wa chacha ye pese wo tehwe ne ye serew. And if you love John Mahama, asem na me kan no, a very simple and straightforward. John Mahama should continue being that star boy. Come out to and let people understand and let people love you. Hey, mama can say me chira mo. John Mahama be president in Ghana and Singapore and Dubai. In Ghana, for no one who said about politicians, I could for the election we win. No, Ghana to say heaven. No, Ghana for doa near to Obama. Yan doa, forget it. It's what you need. Your door. You need a door. Keke. Ghana one better more keke. Go minister politicians. We same. You have to let the people have trust in you. Let the people love you. Let the people believe in you, and then they'll vote for you. But and then A plus I can say John Mahama and accepting it will affect him. Hey, it is not true. If Obia was steady Ghana system no terrain no Obia steady Ghana politics for some time no when him say no correct. So many people in this country gidi. And so, if you compare Ghana to another country and say, oh, here Bobby Wine, or a friend saying, Uganda, no, yet the way, and then Kofu, and no more Kuntoka, won't mean yes, I didn't know Ghana. Ghana, me ma catch Rubia say, I was say, a Ghana penny for no see a trauma nipa, but it has to be peaceful. Obia person we will Kroma. The fact say, what person we know does not make you a coward. The fact that open to Kwagidi does not make you a brave person. Sometimes you have to be a braver. And they say, sometimes to be brave, you have to have the courage to run away. You have to run. A year then, me see any papa 100, on person with Chinukume, and I'm free one, and I'm seeing running, almost chasing moment to me and cheme. Say, I want a near Dino. That is bravery. A year then, hey, from the second one of John, me be a shot on the war, me and me woo ye. Where Jimmy, you are not brave. Sometimes being able to run away is bravery. Everything that we want to do must come from here, our heads. We must be able, it is not by force that Kwame Nkrumah won independence for this country without firing a single shot. But he was brave, he was more brave than J.B. Danquah and the other people. How did he do it? We can also do it here. So, What's the baby? That's a war inciting for. That's a politicians no. I am with the and no. Omutie. Hey, Kevin Taylor, your Casamayo. Wow. Oh, wow. Hey, Kevin Taylor. Kweku skirt today and near Dio, Casamayo. Share. Don't missing some more. Omunya win election now from Omon Fat. We know me too more for. Yin. Omunya win election we are from Omon Fat. MPP for me win election back. Hey. Omo kasama omo na me na me yese no omo che post we omo ngwa obi o frɛ no on fa. So my people, momma edwuma na ye no yemfa yenni ento fom, yemfa Ghana ho don ya ade yenni bi na ya sei bi ansa na ya be start foforo Liberia fo ko ntokwa ne hwan fo ko ntokwa ne ade no amfo mo enkosi ba bia o yenni bi. And at the fact say, come here plus and friend brother say, young me de bia me ka say, me Akufo-Addo. The person me na pe or no your boss. Person me beat no. I want us to organize the biggest protest in this country. It is, look, in England, climate change demonstration. For months people were standing outside and they were demonstrating. For months. What is so you? You are near Prapra near call. So it has to be strategic. And for John Mahama to come back, which of course I think that if he has, I think that he shouldn't give up. But if people give you up, and if John Mahama wants to come back and make an impact, he should present himself as that guy. That guy. Let Ghana girls from if you look at a win election. Now who say 6 million votes M11? Yeah, papa no. Guess no feel say, hey guy no Mahama saw a guy. Papa no. Almost 6 million votes. A man at 2 man too. Girls no omo to amano heavy man nipen filu me yakasa me ni adin me ni yadin say me kokun nipa wo me ni adin say I will never stop what I hope to achieve, even if I'm threatened with death. I will never stop. And yes e bia my father boy say yanko ne yanko hyehye ha yanko ne yanko kunwe en na maka kire mo no John Mahama fregana fo nyina ye rally kese na fro bia na church ade esi wala simu na church bia se wo wini ye wiawo but o pese Ghana ko nanim e wo besin hia o 2024 na hwe se Ghana for en support wa se Ghana for kire wo odo na wan wini election wan ye president kurana president Kufuor so ti go onye Ghana president bi mu but people love him. So you have to mo ye bloggers na mo kasama mo ye affiliated to John Mahama and all of these people no. If there is life, there is hope. Let's find a way to go about bringing about electoral reforms. Akufo-Addo Olusu election petition, no, what he said was that I've lost, I'm not happy. However, I'm happy that elections, how we conduct elections in Ghana will change because of this election petition. And yes, it is very, very important. Say, you know, be supporting your mind, your mind, be koneni. Adi aye your Mahama, then Crawford now be near shetai. Oh, shetai to achieve what? It is not even coordinated. Obi any what anybody wants. It's just people out there. Yeah, shetai. Yeah, you see, to do what, to achieve what? Yemfa election. Yes, some yemfa ma Akufo and John Mahama. Then what is the end game? Don't allow politicians to use you. Me, they have used me before. They will never get me to use me again. They will never. Do not, meaning Kevin, do not allow these people to use, and do not. I will say a we are easy. I will say a we are very, very easy. On my Facebook page say, and people must go, and without justice, electoral commission will be on one no social media, on one no. Yeah, electoral commission, yeah, boom for yeah, 2 tear gas. More Facebook. How many of you were there? They will not come when you call them, they will not come. They will not come. But they will push you to make enemies. They will push you against your friends. They will push you against people. And then they will sit back. And when positions come, they will share it for themselves. You will not be there. My guy, see, and at this point, people must be careful what they say, how they do things, and how and what they do. People must be very careful. And anybody, I repeat, anybody who loves John Mahama, Anybody who loves John Mahama must be interested in his tomorrow, must be interested in his future, must have interest in his future, and must tell John Mahama that you are a winner. Go and come again. Just on come sheni bi ashe John Mahama come say obewu into any yase Wendy na bedu 2024 which I don't think say it's going to happen. If there is life, there is hope. Just say yaka chere John Mahama say your friend saying NDC or stande con omo ade no me omo friends flag bearer race no mo kono obelusu enti no feel some person obeko. No. John, as for me, I think that this is the time ye koburenyam afi we bra ya bre wo wiase ene oman ya yetimi nyame aye adom ye nyina yetinkom December mu ne ye we December mu ne ye we nyame aye adom ye nyina yetinkom ye bedru December ya ye bedri obian ka asomdwe asem obian ka Ghana nkan kwa asem obian wo voice bia no ka kire yimampeni dada your friend saying John Mahama say John, if there is life, there is hope. Why name who asama to Akufo-Addo Okroma from 2008? No try, no lose, no ko, no ba. Hey, and you never the president. Ayi, omo ano omo nam no ho. Akufo-Addo say ene olusu election a nkodi be sua de let my vote count. Ni nyina ye sikasam. John Mahama yenkoye demo ye nte ase ni nyina omo bagisika. Eduma na omo ye no asi. Obia pese odi John Mahama sika. What you say? Eduma no ye no asi. Obia hwehwe kwan bi asika de beba. Ebinom bebre kra wan dis ni mu a they want John Mahama obeye ne hufi say na beya ontumi mbabiem. John, if you have a future in Ghana's politics, let it go. Come again. You can win. And Kevin Taylor, if you love John, support me. Tell John Mahama that John, let it go and come again. So who we are, only ne obenya. Penny forces all one who are doing na. Yamin sure Bibia, Mama Merry Christmas, BM.